home sellers, I'm Rich Shane with RE/MAX, and welcome to Rich's Real Estate Recipe for Success. The recipe I'd like to discuss with you is getting your home ready to sell. An important ingredient for selling your home is curb appeal. You never get a second chance to make a great first impression. So look at the outside of your house. Paint if you need to, weed, plant flowers, cut back or prune trees or shrubs, put cushions out on the patio or put up your umbrella. Make sure all the lights are working on the outside of your home. Put away the toys and garbage cans. That specific day may come when somebody might be driving by your home and say, I want that one, this is the one I want, I can't wait to buy it. For a list of my top 10 ingredients, comment or message me, or feel free to email me at rshaneremax@comcast.net or call me at 215-313-3777. I look forward to serving your real estate needs when the time is right.